Hey everyone, today we have this 2022 Volkswagen Taos and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlight, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, and if you like the product, don't forget to leave a review on the website. Now let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So just spray Slip Solution onto the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. And with this one, you can have the hood a little bit open, that way you have access to the inside of the headlight here. So once the headlight is ready to go, now we can start with the installation. So just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And make sure to align this section of the film to the edge of the headlight here. So this piece will cover the inside of the headlight. So align it right there. So once you have it aligned, lift the film and apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film. Grab your squeegee, make sure you hold it in position and tack it down to secure this section of the film. And if you need to help the adhesive activate a little faster, just apply tack solution on top of the film. Apply a little bit of heat on this section of the film. Apply tack solution one more time and use your squeegee to tack it down. Now we make sure that the film is tacked down. If it's still moving, just continue tacking it down to secure it. And then once everything's tacked down here, we can move on with the rest of the installation. So once you tack it down on this section, now we can stretch the film to reach it to this edge here. So just apply tack solution underneath the film, place the film back down, make sure this whole area is dry, that way you have grip on the film, and then stretch it until you reach it to the edge right here. Once you have it on the edge, we're going to start applying tack solution to the film and to the lens. One thing you can do to help it secure on the edge is hold it in position after you tack it down and apply heat to the entire panel. That way the adhesive is able to activate and tack down to the headlight. And now you could just apply tack solution on top of the lens and tack everything down to secure it and tuck in the film underneath. And in order to remove any fingers that you may encounter on the top or on the bottom, just apply tack solution and a little bit of heat and you should be good. What the heat will do is help shrink the fingers, and then once they become a little smaller, then we could tack them down with our squeegee. So grab your microfiber towel and wrap it around your squeegee. Tack it down to remove the fingers. Do the same on the top. Make sure to remove any bubbles underneath before we seal the entire film when we post-heat it. So tack the top down, and don't forget to tack down this section here of the film. Clean the film to make sure there's no bubbles underneath. Once you verify that there's no more solution under the film, then we can move on to the last step, which is post-heating the entire headlight. So the last thing to do is to post-heat the entire film. So just apply tack solution to the entire headlight. Grab your heat gun and start applying heat to the entire panel. That way we help the adhesive activate faster and the film doesn't lift over time. And as you're applying heat, we're going to use your microfiber towel just to help tack down the film a little more and also help remove any solution that may be on the edges of the film. So take your time as you're doing this step, and then once you're done post-heating the entire headlight, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2022 Volkswagen Taos. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.